Outshining the rest. Mastering the use of outshine in English. Hello, English enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fascinating and expressive English word, outshine. This term is not just about light and brightness. It's a metaphor used in various contexts. Understanding how to use outshine can add a sparkle to your English conversations and writings. So, let's illuminate the nuances of this brilliant word together. Outshine is a verb that initially comes from the literal combination of out and shine. When a light or star outshines others, it is brighter than the rest. However, in everyday English, it's commonly used in a figurative sense. When someone outshines others, they are more impressive, successful, or skilled. Examples: in the talent show, her singing outshone all the other participants. The new model of the car outshines its predecessors in both design and efficiency. In professional settings, an employee might outshine others by showing exceptional skills or achieving remarkable results. In academic environments, a student can outshine their peers in grades, projects, or extracurricular activities. In personal scenarios, in personal relationships, someone might outshine others with their charisma, kindness, or wit. Note on usage. It's important to use outshine in a context where comparison is clear. The word inherently involves comparing one entity's performance or qualities against another's. Adjective form: outshining. He gave an outshining performance in the play. Noun form: outshiner. She is the outshiner in her field, always surpassing her colleagues. Similar phrases: eclipse, often used in a similar context, but can imply completely overshadowing the other. Surpass, more general, referring to being better or going beyond, but less focused on a direct comparison of brilliance or skill. Don't overuse. Reserve outshine for situations where there's a clear and significant difference in performance or quality. Context matters. Ensure the context involves comparison. Using outshine in a solo scenario can be confusing. Positive connotation. Remember, outshine typically has a positive tone, so it's not ideal for situations where surpassing others might have negative implications. Congratulations on adding outshine to your English vocabulary. Whether in professional, academic, or personal contexts, knowing how to use this word can truly let your language skills shine. Remember, the beauty of English lies in its expressive power, and words like outshine are perfect examples of this. Keep practicing, keep learning, and you'll surely outshine others in your language journey. See you in the next video.